Sarvam.
It's the 21st of May. I'm in Delhi for the launch of a brand new device by HMD, the Vibe 2 5G. Let's go. I'm at Hyatt Regency in Delhi today, hosting the launch of HMD's brand new phone, the Vibe 2 5G. Let's go.
Everybody for joining us. Have a beautiful rest of the day.
All right. Namaskar, Chamatkar. Hi, welcome to AI with Ankit. This is Ankit, and today we've got a brand new device जो मैं unbox करने वाला हूँ. ये बहुत ही interesting है because this is so Indian at heart. It is so AI enabled. I'm going to talk to you about. But what is this? This is the brand new HMD Human Mobile Devices का latest 5G smartphone. It's called the Vibe 2 5G. Vibe came earlier, and now this is the Vibe 2. And I've actually had my hands-on time with this, and I'm actually in Delhi at Hyatt Regency to host the launch of Vibe 2 5G with the entire HMD management. Such a cool day, and I'm also getting to unbox this. So this is not going to be a very pretty unboxing because I'm literally dry run is going on, rehearsal is going on. It's about 9:45 in the morning, and the entire team is basically getting ready for the launch. And I just thought it might be a good idea कि फटक से device लेके इसको unbox कर दूँ. So HMD, for those of you who don't know, after Nokia shut down, this company called Human Mobile Devices basically builds and sells Nokia branded feature phones. They also have their own branded feature phones. And so all those amazing nostalgic Nokia phones, which are feature phones, non-smartphones, HMD sells that. And under the brand name of HMD, they also sell smartphones. They operate in a very different price band. They are not going after the Samsungs or the Apples. They're going after the mid and budget category. Oh my God, you have to see how beautiful this color is. Oh my God. One thing is to see it here on the box, but wow. Oh my God, this is a stunning lavender, and they've got gorgeous colors. They've got 3 colors. In fact, let me show you these 3. They've got a Nordic blue, they've got the lavender, and they've got a gorgeous peach pink. But this is the lavender one. Check it out. Wow. I love the dual tone finish. You see what's going on over here? This is really pretty. Okay, so some details about the smartphone. It's got a 50 megapixel AI rear camera. It's got an 8 megapixel front selfie camera, a 6.7-inch massive HD display with 120 Hz refresh rate. In this price segment, to have 120 Hz refresh rate is absolutely bonkers. This is a phone under 12,000 rupees. 6,000 mAh. You can see that entire size. That's because of the ginormous battery in there. 6,000 mAh battery with 18-watt in-box charger with fast charging. It's got an octa-core Unisoc 2.3 GHz processor. Android 16, the latest Android version with 2 years of quarterly security updates. And the best part of HMD phones is it is stock Android. No malware, no ads, none of the rappergiri that so many other phone operators do. And that is one of my favoriteest things about this. But the cool thing about this is there are 2 very desi, Indian at heart features. Number 1, Sarvam AI. Sarvam AI का Indus जो LLM है, जो Frontier AI model है, that comes preloaded for the first time. This is India's first ever phone to have Sarvam Indus AI preloaded. That's a first in the segment, first in the category, and that's a really big deal. Really, this is the mark of something brand new. And I think going forward, so many other phone companies will try and emulate what HMD is doing with the Vibe 2 5G and have a homegrown, made in India, made for India, sovereign Frontier AI model. Sarvam's Indus AI is built in. Also, this comes built in with the Sanchar Sathi app, which is great from your safety, security and tracking and you know, if you ever lose your phone, it's fantastic for blocking and tracking of your phone, and also seeing कि आपके SIM card से, आपके नाम से किसी और का SIM card है क्या, and things like that. All of these are opt-in features, so you decide whether you want to opt in or no. But the HMD Vibe 2 5G is a Flipkart unique phone, and the prices are on the screen. I think it's a phenomenal value premium smartphone. It is democratizing 5G access and AI access for the masses, and big kudos to HMD for doing that. I'm of course going to be using this as my secondary device, and I'm going to be sharing photos, video shot from this, and also a usage report. What is it like to use it as a daily driver? It's been an absolute pleasure to interact with the HMD team over the last few weeks, and to really see how much heart they put into this, and how their mission is really democratization of peak technology, whether it is 5G, whether it is AI. You know, Sarvam Indus, I can't stop talking about it. It is proficient in 22 Indian languages. So it's not just English. Mid-sentence, आप Hindi, Marathi, English mix कर सकते हो, and it totally understands you, interacts with you. So that's the beauty of it. Okay, music's gone up, which means it's time for me to stop talking. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe to AI with Ankit, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.